Alright, so I'm going to open Instancer Start. Let me put save frame here so we'll see what we're rendering. So I'm gonna have this wall nicely designed, but before we do that, let's explore what we have. So far we have a particle flow right here, and if we go into the particle view, we'll be able to see that we have 4 more, but they are deactivated. We have this one so far is the only one that is activated, that is working. This is the activation button right here. So we have render geometry, we have birth of 400 particles, and we're using patch 003, the position for those shapes, and we have 80 sides of shape. So if I click C and H, and I'm going to select this patch A003, this is what we're going to render here. Okay, so far that's the only thing that is working. All right, so you can see we're getting those particles here, which we're going to disconnect now, and we're going to connect a VRay proxy. Okay, so I'm going to turn that off. Let me select that particle. Let's go to particle view, and that shape, I'm gonna turn it off. And let me go back to my camera. Let's click render. So you see we're getting blank wall. So instead of that, we need to load our proxy. So how we can do it? Let's add VRay Instancer. I'm gonna put it here close to my particle view. Alright, let's go P, and in this let's add particle, and the particles 04, and in the source object let's select this plant 002. Alright, now if we look right here, this goes into this patch, and now let's click render. You can see that this object is being populated here with the use of Instancer and our other particle system. So now what we're going to do is we're going to activate those guys here, and they have basically the same thing. They're just using different patches. You can see patch 02, patch 01, and patch 05, and I'm going to click unhide all because the rest is hidden here in that file. So we see we have 3 instancers, and each of them connected to the particle system 1, particle system 3, and particle system 5. So you can see 5 loading plant 01, instance 3 loading particle system 3 and plant 06, and the instancer 01 is loading the plant particle flow 01 and the proxy 04. Alright, and all of those birth particles been created here in the particle flow. This is how particle flow works, and by using that we can get a fully designed wall distributed thanks to our VRay Instancer and the particle flow. Okay, so if you have any questions, ask me, test the stuff. It's a good preset that can be reused in many other scenes.